welcome to Crown Rick Auto. Today we're gonna do something a little different. We are gonna search a policeman. Here we have a 28-year-old Caucasian male, approximately 27 years old.
By 27 or 28?
Give or take, give or take.
Can't do math.
Security man right here is gonna make sure that he cooperates, otherwise show him what he's gonna get. So it'd be your best interest.
I can play that game. I choose a cartridge.
Yeah. It would be your interest for you to cooperate. You guys, okay.
We're both prepared.
All right.
Are you prepared?
I am prepared.
You're wearing pants, I see.
Yes, with a broken zipper.
I don't even want to know.
I'm gonna search it for goodies, guns, weapons, contraband.
Don't threaten me with a good time.
That sounds like a good time to you. All right, so starting off from the top, he's got what is that?
High and tight to fade. There's different variations.
He's got something in his mouth.
Nothing.
What is this? What do you call this?
This is off, right? Okay, yeah.
Okay,
You're
yeah.
okay.
Axon body camera. All right, let's see what he's got, man. We're gonna check out his everyday carry. So he carries a Axon body cam.
It's on standby, and you click it, hold it down, turns it on, and click it twice, turns it off.
Oh, okay. So you're recording me, recording you.
Oh, I could be.
Oh, okay. Well, those, I mean, those things are like police issued only, right?
Yep. Magnetized.
Oh, nice. Okay, okay. Now I know what that thing is. I found one of those before.
Oh.
Didn't know what it was. All right. So right over here, what is this right here?
This is a emergency tourniquet. People get shot or stabbed, you can save their life. Put that on them, twist it, cuts off the blood circulation.
Oh, wow.
So a lot of us have been getting these lately. So.
Nice. Do you have that kit where somebody's choking, you can make a little cut in their neck? And then put a little tube where they can breathe? No. All right, we'll save that for the EMT, right?
Yeah. Pretty much.
Yeah. And right over here, you got like pepper spray?
Yep. Mark III size.
Okay, mean green. Nice.
You ever had enforcement formula?
Nice. You ever had to use one of those before?
Plenty of times.
You ever got backsplash?
Yep. That's not fun either.
Yeah. And what you got here? This say
double cuffs.
Oh, nice. Okay. What brand are those?
Peerless.
Peerless. And those are like extra clips?
Yep.
What kind of bullets are those?
Golden sabers. Those are not to make friends with.
What do you think will happen if we tase a bullet?
Absolutely nothing.
Nothing?
But it's you, so anything. I mean, a hot dog will appear. The funny man will sing.
All right, so this is a classic. Oh yeah, I have one of these.
Baton.
Old school. So is there a reason why you carry this one instead of the expandable one?
I'm just old school, and I prefer that. So.
Boom. Oh, this is cool. Taser X26.
Yeah, you have one of these.
Yeah.
Except you don't have the law enforcement versions.
Yeah, that's right. And then you got the extended clip.
Yep.
Do these save data?
Yes, they do.
Oh, okay, yeah. I got the standard. Nice.
Junkyard Boy says he still wants revenge.
Screw him. He got fired.
The original?
Oh no, yeah, no, the OG. He wants revenge.
This is OG, right?
Yeah, that's right. These are all.
That's why it's real security man's here.
Yeah, real security man. That's right. He's here, and I'm here. Original guys.
That's right.
Right. Okay, so moving on, we have a. What is that? Like, what kind of?
A very expensive digital radio.
Digital radio. Okay, and right here we have a flashlight.
Yep.
In case it gets dark.
Yep.
Stream light.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Okay. Don't tell nobody I'm leaving it on so they'll die on it. Hey, what's in here?
I don't know,
condoms?
You like standing behind me. It seems like.
Gloves?
Yeah, the gloves.
And
Gloves, right?
wallet, gloves,
Yeah.
wallet. You got any money?
Do I? Let's see.
So, do cops? Oh, nice.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Bomb.
So, do cops have to buy their own lunch?
Yes.
They
Of
do?
course we do.
Okay, so the state doesn't, or not the state.
I mean,
but
people do accept gratuities. You're not supposed to. So I mean,
you guys get
everyone
a lot
has their own variations, but generally, no, you shouldn't take anything like that.
Okay, you guys always get discounts, anyways, right?
Yeah, In and Out does. A few places do. So I mean, it always helps out.
Hey, In and Out, that's a win right there. What kind of watch is that?
A nice expensive one.
Yeah.
Can you pronounce it?
Shunto.
I'll take that.
I don't know.
What about the biscuit?
Yeah, we'll get to the good part last.
That's right.
And what kind of shoes are those?
Dana Arcadias. They're about $300.
I got one question. What are those? Ready to grab the tape. Oh, yeah, watch out. That's my security.
Rent a cop.
What kind of biscuit? What kind of biscuit do you got?
All right, hold on. Let me make sure this is safe.
Okay. Oh,
Whoa.
sweet
Chambers
mother.
fired. Check it for
Okay.
me.
Yeah,
Okay.
chambers.
Glock 22, 40 caliber. What's a TLR?
40. Holy smokes!
The TRL1 HL, high lumens.
Wow.
So that's a strobe feature too. So yeah.
Nice
Very nice.
biscuit. Very nice. Have you ever had to use that before?
Building searches,
A
few things like that, but nothing
Okay,
too
never had to
crazy.
shoot
No,
at someone.
nothing too crazy.
Okay.
Well, good.
Cool.
Hopefully
So
you
do
won't-
you guys, do the cops always keep one in the chamber, like
Yes.
ready to shoot? Okay.
That's the one he popped out. You didn't notice that.
Yeah, well, I mean, I thought maybe he forgot.
Rick's blind.
Yeah.
I thought maybe, oh, I saw that, but I
Caught
just,
it, right?
yeah,
With his
I know, I
left
was
hand.
just wondering if maybe you forgot to take it out of the chamber or something.
No.
Okay, so it was on purpose.
Can I tase him now?
No, he's my security man, and I won't have much of protection if you do, because then he'll be useless to me.
Junkyard Boy OG
OG Junkyard Boy, he wants his revenge.
Part 2.
Where is he?
That's a good
Floating?
question. I don't think he knows where he
Junkyard
is.
Boy, where are you? We can have a reunion. No tasers this time. Promise.
Junkyard Boy doesn't know where Junkyard Boy is. He's probably in rehab. Shh, don't tell nobody I said that.
Hey, I think he's got a warrant.
Get on your knees. Get on
He
your
does
knees.
have a warrant.
Get on your knees. Cross your ankles. Put your hands top of your head. Hands off your head. On top of your head. Look to your left. Yep. You have a warrant. All right, stand up. Up.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. You guys should seriously consider becoming a Crown Rick Auto sponsor. There is a sponsor button next to the subscribe button. Sponsors get exclusive live streams. They get wallpaper every week. Lots of perks. This thing is new, so I'm still thinking of ideas right now. I'll leave more ideas in the description. Exclusive videos. Be a sponsor. Thank you. A Motorola.
Don't put that in it.
I'll take that off.
Oh, you had it going?
Yeah, I had it going.
All
Oh
right.
my god. Okay.
Revenge time.
That was a good one. So then we need to do that part over then.
Okay. Oh my god.
Sorry.
Yeah,
Stand
push it
up.
again.
Stand
push
up.
it. Hey guys, thank you for watching. You guys should seriously get my zippers.
The bloopers.
Hey guys. So.
Yeah, but it could gone wrong and you're getting arrested.
Yeah, there you. Oh, searching a policeman gone wrong.
Right.
So okay, I'll be two splits. It'll be one of you with me going like this. Yeah, and then one of me just on the ground. Well, go ahead and just film me getting searched.
Okay.
Get on your knees.
Wait, what?
From what angle? From the front probably, huh?
Or you do the side.
Okay.
Cross your ankles.
Oh yeah.
Top your head.
Okay.
Arms out. Look to your left.
What?
Look to your left.